lot of people wonder, will using repurpose.io hurt my reach? Will it kill my views? Will it take me off the algorithm? If I use repurpose.io, can I expect to get the same amount of views or less views than if I actually just posted manually? Well, I have a lot of experience with this. I have over 1 million followers across my channels, and my answer to this is no. It will not hurt your reach. And I'm not just saying that, I've tested that and I've proved it, and in this video I'll be going over exactly how I know for sure that repurpose.io does not just instantly kill your reach. But before we get to the rest of the video, if you want to just take my word on it that repurpose.io does not kill your reach and just get started today, I have left a link to repurpose.io. It'll be the first link in the description, and using that link you can try out repurpose.io completely for free and see for yourself that it will not just instantly kill your reach. But anyway, let me just go over my channels and my proof that repurpose.io will not kill your reach and still can get you views on pretty much any social media platform. So if you don't know me, by the way, I juggle and I have millions of followers juggling online. Kind of silly, but... And my main platform when I first started was TikTok. I now have 237,000 followers on TikTok, and all of these followers were gained by manually posting on TikTok. However, all of my other social medias related to this account were grown using repurpose.io. I pretty much never manually posted on all of these other social media platforms. So if we go to Instagram, I have 366,000 followers on here, and almost all of this was through repurpose.io posting to this page. Yeah, if you look through, basically all of these videos were just automatically reposted with repurpose.io, and I actually didn't do anything. Next, we have my Snapchat account, which I really don't even focus on, and once again, repurpose.io has been automatically reposting to here. I pretty much never touched the Snapchat account, and it has 350,000 followers. Take a look at my YouTube, and we can see that I have 85,000 subscribers on here, and once again, almost all of the videos, at least all of the shorts that were posted on this channel, were all posted with repurpose.io. This was posted by repurpose.io and has 16 million views. So if repurpose.io does kill your reach, it certainly hasn't hit me, and I've been able to grow organically on all of these social media platforms purely with repurpose.io. Interesting enough, I actually also just have all my videos automatically reposting to Pinterest as well, just because why not? And I have 3.9 thousand followers on Pinterest, even though this type of content isn't like the type of content that should do well on Pinterest. So yes, I really truly do believe that repurpose.io does not kill your reach. Okay, now I'm going to show you 2 more channels that I purely use repurpose.io for, and they still got me views. Before I get there, if that's evidence enough for you that repurpose.io does not kill your reach, again, the first link in the description will let you try out repurpose.io completely for free. I highly recommend it. It's been a tool that's gotten me a significant amount of followers and money. Anyways, here's the other channels I've used repurpose.io on. So funny enough, the account that you're watching this video on right now actually also had pretty much all the videos, or at least all the shorts that are on this channel, repurposed to it using repurpose.io. So initially it all started with this TikTok channel, and I just make the TikToks on TikTok and post them there, and just had these TikToks automatically reposting to my YouTube. And again, we have a video with 6.2 million, a video with 1.1 million, and overall I was able to get plenty of views using repurpose.io on YouTube. So this is the third channel that I managed to grow with repurpose.io, and while I am just a manager on this channel, I saw the growth of this channel all the way from the very beginning up to like today. And again, all of these videos, and you can go verify this for yourself if you want, all of the shorts on here are automatically reposted from the TikTok channel for this. So this is the YouTube and this is the TikTok. You could go verify this for yourself. The TikTok was created way earlier, and we just use repurpose.io to automatically get all these videos onto this YouTube channel. And once we got it there, we were able to just get views like crazy. As you can see, this channel has 300 million views on shorts, which is absolutely absurd. So anyways, that shows you my conviction on why repurpose.io does not kill your reach. It's actually very, very good to grow on any social media platform. And for that reason, I highly recommend it for you guys. So make sure to check out repurpose.io. It's going to be the first link in the description. Again, completely free to start. Just try it out and see if it works. And once you see that it does, in my opinion, the paid plan is really, really, really worth it. I've used it to get tons of followers and generate tons of revenue. So I highly recommend you use it and do the same with it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video, and peace.